Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today we are talking about the latest Samsung update, the One UI 7 and some important news about its release. So Samsung has now officially launched the Galaxy S25 series for the public. Before this, it was only available to the selected people, but now anyone can buy it. With this launch, many people were expecting the Samsung to release the One UI 7 for the older Galaxy smartphones, but unfortunately, that didn't happen. Instead, Samsung has delayed the update for the older devices, which is disappointing for many users. So, when the One UI 7 will come out, why is it delayed, and what new features will it bring? Let's talk about everything in detail. So for right now, Samsung's One UI 7 is only available for the Galaxy S25 series. If you have an older Samsung phone, you won't be able to get the update yet. Even the S24 series has not received the stable version, only a beta version is available in some certain countries. Also, Samsung has announced the beta version 4 of the One UI 7 will be released before this final update. This means that the official update is now delayed even further. Now let's talk about that why Samsung is delaying this update. The main reason is that they are fixing the bugs and improving the performance. It looks like the Samsung wants to make sure that the One UI 7 is now completely stable before releasing it to everyone. While this is a good thing because it means fewer issues when the update arrives, the bad part is that many users have to wait longer to get the new features. And if you talk about that what new you can expect the One UI 7, so here are some of the exciting new features: the Android 15, new AI features, updated app icons, better performance, improved battery life and new security features. And these are only some of the changes, but there will be many more improvements with the One UI 7 update. This update will be released for the S24 series first of all, and afterwards it will be released for the older devices that are included in the device list. And if we talk about the release date, so according to the leaks and rumors, Samsung might release it by the end of Feb or by the mid-March. However, it is not confirmed yet. Samsung has not made any official announcement, so the release date could still change. So if you have an older Galaxy phone, you might have to wait a little longer, but hopefully Samsung will roll out the update soon. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the latest updates on the One UI 7. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates, and I will also keep you updated with the One UI 7 updates. So do not forget to like and subscribe.